Well, I hope you had a weekend as colorful and as fun as your Easter egg dyeing was. Replace the T with an I. Just a couple funny memes for you guys. Okay, week 3. We are totally rocking this, everybody. I'll be putting in grades on Monday morning for the work for week 1 and week 2. I'll be going back and checking and things like that. So let me know if you weren't able to get on the computer and you wanted to send me pictures for week 1, that's totally fine too. But let's dig in and see what we have going on. So don't forget that I changed over here so that it's similar to Mrs. Johnson's, that it goes by the days of the week. So here's Monday, and we'll go over to Monday. So I have math, science, and social studies listed in color coordinated order. Math, we are doing 15.3, which is analyzing and comparing quadrilaterals. Don't forget, those quadrilaterals are the 4-sided polygons. So you'll be watching the video that goes with this page, which is page 594 in the book if you have the packet. And you'll be comparing them, finding out how they're alike, how they're different. I've even cut out shapes and then I would slide them over. I think I gave that suggestion last week, or you can even go through each one and label them first and then come over and find out how they're alike and how they're different. There's also a YouTube video from Number Rock that I thought was pretty good. It has all of the vocabulary in there and it gives the visual as well. So definitely talks about the lines. So please, please, please watch those videos. They're super helpful. They kind of get a little ditty in your head that helps the kids remember too. Now science went like zoom last week, so we will be slowing it down just a little bit, slowing our roll, and spending this whole week on one lesson, so get ready for that. We'll be focusing on lesson 4, the survival when the environments change. So we'll be discussing about what kind of changes the environment will have and how it can affect animals. So you'll be doing how the sea levels can affect tigers, which is pretty interesting because tigers don't live by the ocean. So how do sea levels affect tigers? You'll be filling out this page. You can do it in your own separate notebook if you don't have the packet. And as you see here in Pearson Easy Bridge, you'll see your activities for Monday for 15.3 for math. But then there's a video that I'd love for you to watch today for science as well. So the video and then these 2 reading pages for science on Monday. So because we're going slow with science, we're also going to go slow with social studies, sort of. We went really fast with weeks 1 and 2, how the district had it paced. So I thought we needed to go back and double check and reread lessons 1 and lesson 2. So Monday and Tuesday will be lesson 1. And so let's focus on those right now. If you go to your lesson 1 for the week from Connect Ed, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and 4 you'll be reading today. So just focus on number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll finish up lesson 1 tomorrow on Tuesday. Review of what lesson 1 is just what is the government and what are some of the things that the government does and how does it help the citizens of our country. So you'll be focusing on safety and services and some of the opportunities that we have as citizens to be heard in our government as well. So I'll be on at 11 on Monday morning to see if anybody wants to chat. I think 12:30 was a little late for a couple people last week. So on Monday, I'm going to try 11 and hopefully I can catch some of you, see your bright, shining emoji faces, and I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Let me know if you have any questions, and I love you and I like you.